Hey man, Nike, Jordan Brand, I am loving it this year, bro. I'm definitely loving it. And if these rumors are true, what we are hearing about an upcoming Jordan release, hey, it's gonna get a lot more interesting in the sneaker community, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's greatly appreciated, man. We've been going crazy, and I don't think I dropped the video after we hit 85K, man. So thank you guys so much for 85K, man. Crazy milestone. Means so much to me, man. Been putting a lot of work in. It seems like that work is actually paying off, and the support has been going crazy, man. So if you rock with your boy, you mess with your boy DeVintage, man, please give a huge like on today's video. Every video we want to get up to 400 likes, but you guys have been crushing that lately, so we might have to up the horizon to 500, man. But thank you guys so much, man. 85K, and I told y'all we're gonna be doing a giveaway for the Air Jordan 4 Military Blues when we hit 85K. It already happened, so you guys stay tuned for the details on how to win a free pair of Air Jordan 4 Military Blues. We already gave away a pair of Brand Reimagined. Now we got to give away probably what's gonna go down as one or two sneaker of the year, the Military Blues, man. So like I said, sub up if you're new, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop. And like I said in the beginning, man, leave a huge like on today's video, especially if you're liking the content when we're talking about some of these rumors and potential shop drops and stuff like that we have been seeing on different Discords, different channels, Instagram groups and stuff like that, man. So I always think it's interesting to come up on YouTube, see what you guys think, and maybe you'd be surprised how many people already know what I'm talking about in the comment section. But it's always a good time, man. So go ahead and drop y'all comments, thoughts, and opinions over what we are talking about in today's video. All right, guys, you've seen it, bro. You definitely seen it. We've been talking about a whole bunch of different things happening with Nike and Jordan Brand. Of course, one being the whole, pushback of the industrial blue Air Jordan 4s. Then they moved them back up to May the 4th after they gave us that shot drop the other day. And it just seems like Nike and Jordan Brand is cooking up, man. They're dropping a lot of things. They're dropping a lot of sneakers, a lot of J's and stuff like that. And it is not slowing down yet. It's not slowing down. So some things that I have been hearing that is not 100% confirmed. It's not 100% confirmed, but I had that, I feel obligated to come on YouTube and tell you guys what I have been hearing. And it always makes sense when we are hearing, rumors of a shot drop looming for a Jordan. And that Jordan is the Travis Scott Jumpman Jacks, man. It's two separate colorways. You got one with the red Nike swoosh, and you also have one with the sail Nike swoosh as well. And the red one I seen is releasing 26th of April, and I believe the sail pair is releasing at the end of April as well. And a lot of people's like, man, next week or within the next 2 weeks, we could potentially see that shock drop happening for the Jumpman Jacks. And I was thinking about all the past shock drops we have been seeing, and the shock drops usually happen over on Travis Scott's website first. So if I was, thinking or seeing what's gonna happen, I definitely see, Nike and Travis Scott dropping the first batch or the first shock drop over on his website. Because you gotta think, the pairs are not loaded onto Sneakers app. And after we do see that shock drop on Travis Scott website, we always tend to see Nike loading it up during that same little, debacle, you know what I mean? And it might be one of them shock drops that happen at the end of the night. It might be one of them shock drops that happen midday because they want to get these pairs out. Me personally, not a huge fan of the Jumpman Jacks, but it could potentially change in the hand because the shoe that I end up loving from Travis Scott that a lot of people hated was the Air Trainers that he did. I think he killed the Air Trainers, the Mocha pair, and I also like the sail pair that he dropped. So we're going to see what these Jumpman Jacks is hitting for. Shout out to Nitro, man. He said they look like a pair of Victor Cruzes and Air Trainers smacked together. Thought that was pretty dope because you look at the shoe, it kind of does look exactly like those two shoes combined together, and Travis Scott ran with it. He made the Jumpman Jacks, but definitely something that will always have some hype with Travis Scott being a part of it. It don't matter if it's a trash shoe. It don't matter if it's actually a dope shoe. People are going to like it. People are going to buy it because what? Because Travis Scott at the end of the day, man. So I had to come up in here, man. We shall see something soon, man. It only makes sense. You put one and two together all the time with Jordan Brand. If you see something about to happen or something about to drop and it's not pushed back and it is as hype as a Travis Scott, a Military Blue, a Reimagined, what have we seen every single time with big releases like this? Come on, y'all. Come on, help me out, bro. I can't be the only one knowing this, man. a shock drop, bro. So whenever we do get these dates, these times on when we could see this shock drop happening within the next couple of weeks, you already know your boy DeVintage is gonna be up on here on YouTube, letting y'all know so y'all not missing out. I know you guys appreciate the video I dropped about the military blues. You know, let you guys know about that shock drop. People saying, nah, it ain't happening. That's fake. They don't release till May 25th while they release them, and the next thing you know, they shock drop. So you gotta trust your boy DeVintage, man. When we get more details, I will drop, you know what I'm saying, the full breakdown as far as when, where, how, and all that good stuff, man. So that's what I love to do. Come up here and help you guys. Sometimes I wish I could drop all the info at once, but I do not want to lie to you guys. I never lie to y'all. Whatever I hear, I give to you guys. It's almost like a sneaker blog channel, but just me talking. Like, just imagine if I put shock drop, we can see a shock drop soon, and then I'll be like, okay, cool, just a little post. But now that I'm over here on YouTube, you know, actually talking to you guys, I want to interact with y'all to see how y'all feel about sneakers. I feel like it's more of a personal, you know, one-on-one type of thing to where I'm chopping up with you, you chopping up with me, man. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Yeah, you. And I've always been telling y'all to join the Discord, man. I ain't getting paid from the Discord. This ain't a sponsored video. I really rock out with Family Vibes Discord. They've been A1 with all the information they always have been giving me. So go check them out over on Instagram. Tell them your boy DeVintage sent you. Always put a screenshot here, and I'm gonna tag them down below. Or you can just put in your Instagram search Family Vibes Discord, and it will pop up, man. They've been A1 with the info. They haven't been talking about this speculation, just seeing other things on Twitter, on Instagram, and stuff like that. You're gonna see a couple of screenshots on the video of people talking about this shock drop looming, but it only makes sense, man. And I'm pretty sure they're gonna shock drop these Jumpman Jacks, the Cell, and the red pair, along with the Canary Yellow Air Jordan 1s. And it only makes sense for Jordan Brand. They want to keep this hype up. They want people to want the shoe. So what makes people want something even more? FOMO. When somebody has something and somebody else don't, man. Fear of missing out. Then that's going to create that hype. It's going to create like a little trigger effect, you know what I'm saying? A little chain reaction. One shock drop, somebody don't get it, then they're going to be going crazy on the release date to try to get it on their site, making more money for Nike. This all making sense, you know what I'm saying? Put two and two together, bro. This is how Nike do it, bro. It's how they're thinking in the background, seeing how they can keep attracting new customers or even returning customers on some hype stuff, especially with Travis Scott, man. So yeah, man, I appreciate everybody for tuning in, man. Quick video. Just want to come on here, chop it up with you guys. This is going to be the next shot drop. I'm gonna call it, bro. I feel like this is gonna be the next shot drop. Well, actually, I ain't gonna call it. Let's not do that yet, because I don't want nobody to say I'm lying. I just feel like, or I've been seeing in the background that we might be getting a shot drop soon. And we went live yesterday and we kind of talked about it. But I was like, you know what? Let's make a video. Let's chop it up about it. And there might be a couple people that know a couple things or two, but I'm not going to put anything out until it's 100% confirmed. This is a dope, talking video with you guys, getting you guys ready for what potentially could be happening and what I am hearing. So for people that don't even know about a shot drop or know about anything, I'm here to help them guys out. Not for people that know about the same amount of information I know. This is for the people that don't know, so don't take offense to it, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. Hit the notification bell for your boy, and make sure, like I said, we get this video up to 500 likes. I know we can do it. I can't wait to get them Air Jordan 4 military blues in. Gonna do a dope unboxing, a dope review, feeding all that good stuff to show you guys what we will be expecting May the 4th, and May the 4th be with you, man. And we also will be doing a giveaway for the military blues. We might give away 2 pairs, bro. Depending on how y'all acting, man, how y'all supporting, bro. We might have to end up giving 2 pairs away, because it might be a 90K before we even know it. Which the way y'all been acting, like I said, the support has been crazy, and hopefully we can keep it up. Hopefully we can keep going crazy. Hopefully we can keep that interaction going, because, man, we're growing one of the best communities on YouTube, in my honest opinion, man. So thank you guys so much. I love y'all. It means a lot. Yeah, man, I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you for tuning in. With all that's been said, man, your boy DeVintage. We're going to catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.